Hi, it's Sandra, and tonight I'm going to announce the winner for my September giveaway. And if you don't remember, I was giving away these Maniology press-on nails from the box of Gloom. I have this plate that is from, I can never find, Creative Shop, and it is 17S. And then I have this Maniology Castle plate, and this one is M593. And then the last one that I'm giving away is Maniology M245. So without further ado, let's see who wins. All right, and the winner is A Vinotto. And A Vinotto, all you need to do is contact me by email, and that is at nailstampology@gmail.com. Give me your mailing address, and I will pop this in the mail on Monday morning. So congratulations to A Vinotto, and please make sure you collect your winnings. Otherwise, this will go to October's free giveaway. So everybody, thanks for watching, and congratulations again to A Vinotto.